with the current administration, I think that filing an I-751 on your own probably isn't the best idea, but if you decided to file on your own, okay, that's fine. If you file on your own and you get called in for an interview, you need to speak to an attorney at that point. It's not a normal thing to be called in for an I-751 interview. So yes, there are situations where I've had clients called in and it had to be a random interview assignment. Okay, so that does happen. I've had that happen to clients that have a child together and we've provided the birth certificate and the couple lives together. There's literally no reason why anyone should suspect this. So in those situations, it can be random, but most often I would say that if they're calling you in for an interview, there's a reason they're doing that. So if there's a reason why they're calling you in for an interview, you probably want to talk to an attorney and consider taking an attorney with you to the interview so that your statements aren't misrepresented or they don't put words in your mouth or anything like that. Because if your I-751 gets denied, now you're absolutely going to need an attorney. Because if they deny an I-751, they're sending you to immigration court. Now you're in front of an immigration judge. Now you've got to, convince that judge why your I-751 should get approved. And obviously that's going to get expensive. Getting representation in immigration court, that's going to cost, $10,000, $15,000, whatever it might be to get that kind of representation. So if you get called in for an interview, you need to see that for what it is. It's a huge red flag. It's potentially a big problem, and you need to stop doing this case on your own at that point.